Oh, hello! Welcome to my room. I'm gonna give you a tour. This is my door. Isn't it amazing? I have my dressing gown, my other dressing gown, my jacket, my coat. This is my mirror. Hi! Down here is my hoverboard, which has broken. That's why it's there. Here is my backpack. These are my drawers and these are my clothes. This is my couch. On here we have a beanbag, which for some reason is in my room. Welcome to my desk. Here we have a flamingo light. Here we have some smelly stuff with sticks coming out of it. Here we have my pencil pot and a random one in the background. And this is my lava lamp, this is my TV, this is my mirror. Hello. I have my water bottle here. I have this stand to put my phone on. I have this that when you turn it on, it's supposed to say love, but you can't see it very clearly. And here's my board that says you're amazing, because you're amazing. We have arts and crafts stuff. In this drawer we have gaming stuff. And in this drawer we have everything that doesn't fit into the other two. Why is there a hat in there? This is my window. And this is my curtains. This is my ladder up to my bed. Ooh, my bed. These are just some of my emojis. I have more, but I've lost them and I can't be bothered to find them. These are my bed covers and my pillow. More emojis. Shelf with my tablet, some random video games, and my diary. Shh. Little light. Says Daisy, but it doesn't have any batteries in. And this is my awesome light bulb. Ignore the light shade. It's very old. Can't be bothered to get a new one. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video and seeing my tiny room. Please go subscribe to Abby XXX's YouTube channel. She's just started. Her old channel had some hate, so she deleted it and started anew. And I want you all to go subscribe to her and get her subscribers back up, because she's amazing. I'll link her channel in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.